a very nice program that has been displayed on right from 12 noon. And this is now the end of the story. And there are a galaxy of intellectuals before we people. Mohtarama Savia Nazji, senior lecturer and a very humble and strict discipliner of this school. Mohtarama Masra Jahan, recently transferred twice or twice. We have with us awardee and Dr. Sabina ji. We have various HOIs with us, teachers, school teachers, masters. We have Azhar sir here, a very good architect of Government High Secondary in Sopor. We have Gausia ji, the moderator of this whole show. We have Tariq sir, recently Mohsen sir, sorry. We have your name, good name? Yes. Refugee. We have Dr. Akbar ji and so many intellectuals. Today we have so many programs here to deliberate, and a list was provided by my favorite HOI Mohtaram Parvez Sahab, like curtailing dropouts, fundamental literacy and numeracy curriculum, equitable and inclusive education, online and digital education, efficient resourcing, and effective governance. Likewise, re-imaging vocational education, school accreditation, triple SA, etc. And I have chosen for myself a very unique and a very unique topic, that is 21st century skills. We have Dr. Gulshan sir, who has worked tirelessly for the program. This is like I'm going to salute him on this topic. 21st century skills we will discuss over here. 21st century skills are a set of abilities that are increasingly important for success in the modern world. We are living in the modern world in 2020 and 21st century. That is 20 Y2K afterwards. Y2K 2 afterwards. That is 21st century. These skills encompass learning and innovation, digital literacy, and life and career skills. They are often grouped into categories like 4Cs. They are named as a group like 4Cs. That is critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. These are the 4 skills. These are the 4 C's rather. Critical thinking in 21st century, we are led to critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. Or in a broader sense, we may say to, I would like to say, learning skills, literacy skills, and life skills. Learning skills, literacy skills, and life skills. Today's challenge, detailed as under number first, learning and innovation skills. A category, critical thinking. Under subparagraph comes critical thinking, analyzing information objectively, solving problems, and making reasoned judgments. We have to make reasoned judgments. Number B is creativity and innovation. Generating new ideas, developing original solutions. New ideas should come into our mind, and having original solutions and adapting to change. Change is law of nature. C. Communication. We should have a positive communication, effectively conveying information. Our communication should include effectively conveying information, ideas, opinions through various channels. We have various channels now at our disposal, and we should convey our communication through proper channels. D. Collaboration. We should have collaboration. As you see, this school is collaborating this program with another. Diet is collaborating program with GHS. So collaboration means working effectively with others to achieve common goals, leveraging diverse perspectives and skills. Working effectively with others to achieve common goals, leveraging diverse perspectives and skills. Second is digital and literacy skills. The sub-para is information literacy, evaluating the accuracy and reliability of information. Information should not be forwarded, especially in the digital age. Second, or B is media literacy, understanding and critical analyzing media messages. Understanding and critical, we should have critical portion of it. We should have critically ability to analyze the media messages. Third is ICT literacy. We have no ICT lab purpose here. ICT literacy, using technology effectively and responsibility, including digital tools and platforms. The third major head is life and career skills. We should have life and career skills, flexibility and adaptability. A sub-column is adjusting to new situations and challenges with resilience. B is initiative and self-direction. Taking ownership of tasks, setting goals and working independently. We should have clear goals and then work independently on that clear goals, on that set of clear goals. C is social skills. We should have social skills in modern 21st century. That is interacting effectively with others. Building relationships. We should have positive relationship rather with students and with cluster body and higher ups. Interacting effectively with others, building relationships and demonstrating empathy. What is empathy? We should know what is in the mind and what is in the heart of our partner. In advance, we should have that much of resilience in us. D is productivity and accountability. Managing time is very crucial aspect. Resources and projects. We should have ability to work with very minute, very rare resources rather, and projects effectively and taking responsibility for outcomes. Outcome means results. E is leadership. Inspiring and motivation. Leadership means inspiring and motivating others, taking initiative and judging teams, so that we will have a collective responsibility and collective work culture. Importance of 21st century skills. What is the importance? These skills are critical for success in various aspects of life, including education. Education is one aspect of life. Education, that is preparing students for higher education and lifelong learning. Students should always be ready for lifelong learning. We have seen students I have seen them in Jammu University. They were working for 18 hours rigorously there. It is to talk of back in 90s. Career. Number second is career. Enabling information participation in society and contributing to a better world. We should contribute to the society. We are utilizing society at from our doorsteps to our from cradle to cradle, and we should contribute towards the society. In the nutshell, in essence, 21st century seculars are not just about acquiring knowledge, but also about developing the ability to learn. We should have ability to learn, adapt, collaborate, and innovate in a rapid changing world. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Thank you all. Thank you.